Tastes like butt. Alright, this shit smells like fucking vomit. It's spaghetti with like little hot dogs in it and like cheese. What the fuck? Let me get a fork. Ew. Ugh. Ugh. Wait, I feel like that just ruined my night. Oh, ew. It's like, ew. Ew, Jollibee. Ugh.
Jollibee, binastos ng BF ni Selena Gomez. Pinoy netizens na beast mode. Nag-alburuto ang publiko sa umano'y pambabastos ng American record producer at boyfriend ng singer na si Selena Gomez na si Benny Blanco sa fast food chain na Jollibee sa kanyang TikTok video. Ayon sa mga netizens, paglapastangan sa kulturang Pinoy ang ginawa ni Blanco na pagsawsaw ng Chicken Joy sa pineapple juice at pagluwa sa Jolly Spaghetti. Sa naturang video ay hindi rin nagustuhan ni Blanco ang iba pang tinikman niya gaya ng adobo rice at Jollibee Chicken Joy. Anya, don't go to Jollibee. This shit sucks, say pa niya. Narito naman ang samot-saring komento mula sa mga netizens. It's not about the disliking of the food. It's the disrespect. You know, he doesn't need to be that rude to do food review. If he didn't like it, then tell it in a respectful way. Di naman talaga masarap ang Jollibee ng ibang bansa. Legit pa rin yung sa Pilipinas. I'm currently living in Saudi Arabia, meron ditong Jollibee, pero hindi talaga siya kalasa ng sa Pinas, kaya bihira lang din akong bumili. Ay be, mas nakakasukay ang pagmumukha mo. Kung ayaw mo sa lasa ng pagkain, pwede mo naman sabihin in a nice way. Hindi yung this shit suck ka pang nalalaman dyan. This person is unaware that Filipino netizens are not sleeping. And they're all ready to give him the nightmare he didn't ever wish. Jollibee Nation attack. Honestly, iba lasa ng Jollibee sa ibang bansa kesa sa Jollibee dito sa Pinas. Pero sana di na lang siya nag-comment ng negative kung pati siya di naman mukhang masarap. Ha ha ha, okay lang. At least kaming Pinoy, laging malinis from head to foot. Ang gulo isip mo, tulad sa buhok mo, dami yan kuto for sure. Baka naghalo na sa pagkain mo, kaya umiba ang lasa. We cannot please anybody. Jollibee is known worldwide. Kinilala at tinangkilik not all customers are the same. We have different culture and traditions. Expect the unexpected, but we must be aware and accountable for our action, especially if you are a public figure of what you are showing online. It may reflect to your personality of how you handle things with a proper manner. It's not about the food anymore. It's about the person and the viewers who you admire. Let's spread love, respect, kindness.